Professional liability insurance, commonly known as malpractice insurance, is a critical safety net for service providers. Let's look at how it works. At its core, this insurance protects professionals against claims of negligence or mistakes made during their professional duties. Most policies carry standard limits in the $1 to $3 million range to cover legal fees and potential settlements. Coverage generally extends to legal defense costs, settlements, and damages awarded in a court of law. Policies come in two main types. Claims made requires you to be insured when the claim is filed, while occurrence covers incidents during the policy period. Premiums vary wildly based on your specific industry risk level. High-risk professions naturally see significantly higher annual costs. Ultimately, this is a necessary cost of doing business that protects your personal assets from professional liabilities. Thanks for watching. Remember to review your specific policy documents annually. Subscribe for more money basics.